What's going on, guys? Josh back today with the video. I'm going to show you how to change the rear differential fluid on a 2009 Acura MDX. So let's get underneath and take a look at it. As far as tools, all you're going to need is a couple of 3/8 inch socket wrenches. I'm going to use a torque wrench just to break the plugs free, and then use the little socket wrench to tighten it down. You're going to need a couple of new crush washers and 3 quarts of Acura all-wheel drive fluid, the DPSF fluid. Alright, so let's go underneath the back of the vehicle and let's locate the rear differential. It's going to be basically just right in front of the rear tire, the spare tire underneath. So there's the rear diff. Your drain plug is down below here at the bottom, and then up behind this hole is the fuel plug. So let's see if I can get that up there. Where is it? Get a little light. And the fuel plug is up top right there. So I've already gone ahead and broken those free. I could just slip up. My torque wrench would just slip right up underneath here. I didn't have to go through the back, so you can just angle it in and get it right through there. So let's go ahead and get this drained, and we can do a refill. So fluid's coming out. I've got about 35,000 miles in this fluid, and it's still coming out nice and clean, so that's good. So let's let that drain, and we'll come back and fill it. All right, and then similar to the transmission, you got your little drain plug here. It's got magnetic thing on the end to catch all your different fine metals and stuff, so go ahead and just wipe that up and get that cleaned down before you reinstall it, so it can do a good job continuing to pull fine metal shavings out and keep the rear differential running smooth. Alright, so we got our fill plug all cleaned up. We got a new crush washer to put over that. And let's go ahead and just wipe the surface of this, make sure it's clean of all contaminants. And let's go ahead and put the drain plug back in. Get that tightened down. Alright. That feels good to me. Alright, we'll go ahead and take the fill plug out up there. We'll get that wiped down, put a new crush washer in it, and then get everything filled up. And tighten down and done. Alright, so we've got the fuel plug. It's all wiped down already. New crush washer for that. Alright, I'm using the gravity fed system. So I've got my funnel and my fill line running up underneath into the rear differential. So let's go ahead and put our fluid in, and I just use my little jack to hold my funnel. So let's fill it up. Alright, so the fluid's going in. See if the camera will pick it up. See it kind of flowing through there. See those air bubbles. So it moves pretty quick. You pour a quart and it takes, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds for it to go on versus pumping it by hand. So I find this method to work the easiest. So let that keep going. We got 2 quarts in, we got 1 to go. And I think this holds about 2.7 quarts until full. Alright, let's put the last of it in. And wait about a minute until that's in. And we can seal it up. Alright, she is full. So about 2.7 like it said. And yeah, 3 quarts will get the job done. So let me pull that out and put the plug back in. Alright, so now that fill plug put back in. And last thing we'll do is give her a little torque to tighten her down. Alright, it's all done. Everything wiped off. As far as cost to do the rear differential, the DPSF fluid runs $13 a quart for 3 quarts, so just under 40 bucks, so not bad. Plus 2 new crush washers, so pretty inexpensive to do yourself. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Hopefully you found this video helpful on changing the rear differential fluid in a 2009 Acura MDX. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, I'll see you next time.